So a lot of families coming together as the holidays get closer, and I have a craft today that's good for all ages. Come check it out. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, crafts, and some organization, but all on a budget. Let's check out today's craft. So this year the Dollar Tree came out with these snow globes. After you pull out the stopper, which is very tight in there, there's the instructions on exactly how to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and step you through how to make a snow globe. This is easy enough that it's fun to do as a family or with kids because there's really not a whole lot to it, and it goes really quickly for younger children that don't have a long attention span. You'll want to have something that you put inside. I chose these little snowmen. They were 50% off at Hobby Lobby, so $2.50. And then otherwise you're going to want some water, some fake snow, and it talks about all that on here as well if you do go ahead and pick one up at the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. So first I decided what little snowman I wanted out of the package that I showed earlier, and I'm going to cut this little piece off because I don't want that floating around in there. Since he's going to be inside water, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little E6000 as well as some hot glue, and then we're just going to let it dry for a while. So E6000 is nice because it really gets a firm bond, and hot glue is nice because it helps it stick right away and be done right away. I'm going to put him kind of right in the middle because he's my only thing I'm putting in there. You can really decorate it up and put a lot of different pieces in there if that's what you want to do, or you can just have one simple piece that really stands out. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a drop of hot glue in there to hold him. So this way he should stick right away, but then stick for a really long time. So we'll go ahead and let him dry right there. And then once he's all dried up with the E6000 and going to stick real well, we'll come back and we'll add the water and the glitter and finish him up. So now I'm just going to add some glitter. I chose this white glitter that's from the Target Dollar Spot. And glitter doesn't have to be what you add. You can add fake snow or anything else. You also don't have to add as much glitter. I was going back and forth on how much glitter I actually wanted to add in. Before adding in the water, I took the snowman on the sealer and I kind of put it inside, not all the way but a little bit, so I could see how far down he'd go, hoping that'd give me a better idea of how much water to add in. I had put some water in a glass so that I wouldn't have to get up and leave, but of course I didn't get enough, so I still needed to go get some more. And then it was time to put in the snowman and the sealer, and this time I had gotten too much water. So I pressed the sealer in as tight as I could, and then I got a towel, and I kind of used the towel as a nest to hold the snow globe as I continued with the rest of the project. I pressed down firmly on the sealer once again just to make sure it was as closed as it could be, and then I took some super glue and I took it around where the sealer and the snow globe met just to seal it. Sealing it like this is something that they recommend so that the water and nothing else leaks. Once I had sealed the entire perimeter, I went ahead and screwed on the lid. Now it's time to shake it up and enjoy. Hobby Lobby did have some snow globes also. They were a little bit bigger but also more expensive. However, all the Christmas stuff is 50% off, so if the Dollar Tree is out of their snow globes, it's worth a shot. My daughter also made a snow globe, but she didn't want to secure anything onto the sealer, so everything in hers bounces around. It's really cute and really easy for children to do. Take a look! I hope you guys enjoyed and give it a try, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye!